Locating suitable areas for flying drones in the Washington, D.C. metropolitan region can be a bit of a challenge. The area has extensive restricted airspace, including the vast National Capital Region Special Flight Rules area, 2 international airports, various small regional airports, military bases, national parks, battlefields, and wildlife preserves. Additionally, it's important to note that drones are prohibited in Virginia state parks. However, I'll provide you with some drone flight recommendations in Northern Virginia. These flight spots, situated southwest of the Washington Beltway in Fairfax and Prince William counties, offer unrestricted airspace below 400 feet. They also boast scenic views, making them ideal for capturing stunning drone photography and videos. Keep in mind that drone flights are allowed in county parks within both Fairfax and Prince William counties, as long as the park isn't in restricted airspace. First, we have Fountainhead Regional Park, a 2,000-acre recreation area bordering a tributary of the Potomac River. It's located in southern Fairfax County, just about 5 miles from the Beltway. From Ox Road or Route 123, turn onto Henderson Road and proceed to the park entrance. This is a very beautiful and peaceful part of the Occoquan River and is popular for fishing, canoeing, and kayaking. The boat ramp at the park headquarters is the best place for launch and recovery. There's plenty of parking, although the boat ramp itself can get crowded on weekends. Downstream from Fountainhead lies the Sandy Run Boathouse, where numerous local high school crew teams train and compete. The views of the Occoquan River are similar to those at Fountainhead, making it an excellent alternative location for flight operations. For a unique experience, consider visiting the Neabsco Creek wetlands in Woodbridge, situated just east of Richmond Highway, or Route 1, off Ripon Boulevard. Here the creek flows into the mouth of the Occoquan River where it meets the Potomac. Ample parking is available, and it's a 400-yard walk from the parking lot to the creek. Notably, there's an elevated 3/4-mile-long boardwalk over the wetlands, providing an excellent opportunity to practice flight handling skills while following the boardwalk. Occoquan, a historic pre-Revolutionary War village located at exit 160 on I-95, is a restored artist community with quaint shops and restaurants. From this picturesque spot, you can take flight along the narrow stretch of the Occoquan River, heading toward the dam that creates the Occoquan Reservoir. This video was taken during the height of the summer when the water level was very low. However, after significant rainstorms, there can be a lot of water pouring over the dam and the downstream spillway, providing additional photogenic opportunities. At the end of the village is River Mill Park, which is the perfect place for launch and recovery. Occoquan Regional Park is a 350-acre outdoor recreation area in Lorton, located on Ox Road, or Route 123, right across the river from the village of Occoquan. This is a good flight spot to explore the waterfront of Occoquan Village. In addition to the multiple parking lots and boat ramp, the large recreational fields are perfect for flight operations. Belmont Bay in Woodbridge forms the mouth of the Occoquan River where it flows into the Potomac. From here you can explore several marinas as well as the inlets and far shore of the bay. The large empty field next to the George Mason University Potomac Science Center is an excellent choice for launch and recovery. On the north side of Belmont Bay, off of Gunston Road in Mason Neck, George Mason University has a conference center and retreat called Point of View. This is a good location for exploring the creeks, inlets, and waterfront houses on this side of the bay. Several bald eagles nest and fly in this area if you're lucky enough to capture one on camera. There are also a few duck blinds out in the water that are occasionally used during the hunting season in fall and early winter. Lake Ridge Marina, located on Cotton Mill Drive, just off Old Bridge Road, occupies a small inlet on the opposite side of the Occoquan River from Fountainhead Park and Sandy Run Boathouse. This marina offers rentals for fishing boats, canoes, kayaks, stand-up paddleboards, and pedal boats. The water traffic can get quite crowded, which adds to the appeal for drone photography. Many of the local high school crew teams train and race here as well. Finally, let's look at three lakes. The 200-acre Burke Lake, right on Ox Road, or Route 123 is perfect for photography and videos. Burke Lake Park also has a dam, golf course, carousel, miniature train, campground, and nearby Buddhist temple for more photo and video opportunities. For a quiet place to launch and recover your drone, head to the fishing boat ramp just south of the main entrance to Burke Lake Park. Located on Hoos Road, Lake Mercer is a charming 50-acre lake about 2 miles southeast of Burke Lake. Its small size and dense woodland provide excellent wind protection, resulting in a tranquil surface ideal for capturing reflections of clouds and sunsets. Keep in mind that parking is limited. There is a small parking lot on Hoos Road that can only hold about 10 cars. Since the hiking trail that goes all the way around the lake is quite popular, early morning or late afternoon is the best time to find available parking. Finally, Lake Montclair, on Dumfries Road, is the most distant of all these recommendations, about 15 miles from the Washington Beltway. This is a residential community surrounding a 100-acre man-made lake. There are 3 beaches that can be used for flight operations, with Dolphin Beach being the largest. As evident from these recommendations, there are excellent drone flight spots beyond the tightly regulated airspace around the Washington, D.C. metropolitan area. If you have additional favorite locations in unrestricted airspace, feel free to share them in the comments so that we can all explore them together.